ready to walk to our first breakfast, day 2.
Amazon jungle.
Amazon jungle.
Good morning.
I thought you were going to say buenos dias.
Buenos dias.
Buenos dias.
Buenos dias.
Buenos dias. Hello, Jungle Darren. Height of attractiveness.
What's that?
He's here. I was saving it until I absolutely needed to. How's that?
Down at the front.
Better? You can fix it. This is Jungle Darren. Complete outfit.
With wellies.
With wellies.
Jungle wellies.
Jungle wellies. Ready for our trek.
Right.
Come on then. Here we are. Ready for our jungle trek. 3 to 4 hours testing. No idea what we're going to see.
Un coleóptero.
Your hat. It's a pirate hat now.
Se usa cuando las personas mayores
Here we are. Look at me with my collar turned up. Protected. Very serious.
con raíces del mundo.
Lunch after our 4-hour trek. Here's our bathroom. Lovely open wooden hut. There's the shower. And there's our view. And straight next door to that is our bathroom, our toilet. So at least it's a real toilet, and at least it's a real shower. We've had worse, haven't we? Welcome back to day 2. We have been having some fun with the drone. We've put it up for about 10 minutes or so and we're just waiting to have a quick look at the footage. Darren's been walking around his pants, so the nice Brazilian little boy got to see it because he come running when he could hear the drone. After our 4-hour trek, we had lunch and I had a very, very, very long shower trying to scrub off my fake tan. Now I'm desperately going to try and get a little bit of colour, but I'll probably just end up really burnt. And in a minute we're going to go canoeing. Here you go. He's still got his mint.
Is it gonna rain?
I'm pretty sure it is.
Oh, not to put your hand on the side. No, it's coming to put it on the side.
You know, I might get my poncho out and sit on it. Ready?
Is it gonna rain?
Here we are on our canoe trip, waiting for rain.
Hello, honey. Is it gonna rain?
Look in front and look.
Oh, bye-bye.
Fine.
What? Hello?
Easy.
Yeah,
That's so easy. Oh, look at him.
Es un bonito ejemplar de Caimán blanco.
when they are born, they are like kind of this big. It depends on the temperature and also the water, how like the food, how they're feeding. They can grow faster, a little bit bigger.
Día uno, más o menos 2-3 años.
Has like around 2 years. They can be like 60 years.
60?
Yeah, to have like around, if they have like 2 meters.
6 meters.
Yeah, if they have 2 meters.
No,
they can,
60 years, I think he said.
Yeah, 60
years.
If they if they have like 15 to 20 years, they can be 2 meters.
Tiene mucha fuerza para.
Yeah, he's very strong. He doesn't want to open. He wants to,
Don't blame
yeah.
him. They're quite little teeth, really. They're like puppy teeth.
If he did bite, he hold on.
yeah, he will hold on.
En lo que concierne a crocodilios, en el mundo habita.
Here is when they have the concentrate the like.
They're going to have more power there.
More power,
Okay.
yeah.
Aquí más fuerza.
More, you be more tight.
Okay.
Es suficiente.
You got it?
Yeah, I got him.
Yeah.
It's real. It's not.
It's
plastic.
real. Oh, bless him. Look, he's not happy, is he?
Oh, are you feeling a little move and you think, oh, he's gonna go?
Little siesta.